Hi, my name is Hazrul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we will continue with introduction to formulas. In case you've missed the first video, you can check them down below in the description. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into it. Before we go through the formula, I want to explain to you what is formula. Okay, formula is an equation that makes calculations based on the data in your spreadsheet. Formulas are entered into a cell in your worksheet. They must begin with an equal sign followed by addresses of the cell that will be calculated upon, with an appropriate operand placed in between. Once the formula is start in the cell, the calculation will execute immediately. The formula appears in the formula bar. These are the operation that works in formula. First, we got the plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtract. The asterisk or star symbol is for multiplication. The slash one is for division, and circumflex symbol for exponent. Okay, I want to give you some of the example for this version. Okay, first we got plus sign example. We want to add cell A1 with A2. Okay, we use the plus sign and we write this formula in the formula bar. Equal sign A1 plus A2. Okay. And by that we got the result. And we move on to minus sign example. Okay. We want to subtract value of cell A2 to cell A1. We use the minus sign and we write this formula in the formula bar. Equal sign A1 minus A2. Okay. For asterisk symbol example, we want to multiply cell E5 by 0.5. Okay, we use the asterisk symbol and we write this formula in the formula bar. We move on to slash symbol. We want to divide cell E7 by J6. So we use the slash symbol and write this formula in the formula bar. Equal sign E7 divided by J6. Okay. Lastly, we got the circumflex symbol. We want to find square value of cell A6. Okay, we use the circumflex symbol and write this formula in the formula bar. Okay, equal sign A6 circumflex 2. Okay, that's it for introduction to formula. Pretty easy, right? We will continue with basic function. Okay, I see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.